Hi, my name is Norilyn and I'm a registered nurse. Today I want to share with you my most favorite channel when it comes to medicine in YouTube, and it's called MedCram. 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 Medical lectures explained clearly. This is an amazing channel. Please check it out and you will not regret it. I'm sure you're gonna subscribe to their channel because it's just that amazing. The doctor who normally does the videos, the lectures, his name is Dr. Roger Swelt, and he is an associate professor at the University of California, Riverside School of Medicine, and assistant professor at Loma Linda University School of Medicine. Dr. Schwelt is quadruple board certified in internal medicine, pulmonary disease, critical care, and sleep medicine. Yes, he is that good. Yes, quadruple board certified in those areas. Please check their channel out. It's an amazing channel when it comes to medical lectures, and they present it very clearly. Especially nowadays, they have a lot of updates when it comes to COVID because of what's happening in the world, and there's so many studies that are being done. So they do a lot of lectures about that. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and be safe. Bye.